Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your project and jumping straight to the sequence settings so your audio base is correct. In the Sequence menu, choose Sequence Settings and set sample rate to 48,000 Hz and bit depth to 16 or 24 depending on your files. Once done, switch to the Audio workspace from Window Workspace's Audio to expose the essential sound and audio track mixer panels. Make sure clips are imported into matching sample rate sequences. Otherwise, you'll get resampling artifacts that complicate mixing later. Now, assign roles with essential sound so Premiere applies relevant controls automatically. Mark clips as dialogue, music, SFX, or ambience. You'll then normalize dialogue peaks to about -6 dB and adjust clip gain for consistent RMS levels. Use the Match Loudness tool for batch work. Once levels are set, apply processing in a logical order. Denoise or adaptive noise reduction first, then corrective EQ to remove muddiness, and lastly a de-esser for sibilance. This sequence prevents processors from amplifying unwanted artifacts. Finish by mixing with the audio track mixer. Automate levels, set panning, and add a gentle master bus compressor to glue tracks. When ready to export, go to File, Export Media, and under the Audio tab choose WAV for highest fidelity or AAC for delivery. Keep 48,000 Hz and pick a bitrate appropriate to format. If you hear distortion, pops, or dropouts, make sure there's no sample rate mismatch between source and sequence. Update audio drivers, and disable exclusive mode in your OS sound settings to prevent clashes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.